Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. What's going on with crypto and especially Bitcoin? Bitcoin is currently at around 58,000 US dollars. Things are looking much more stable than yesterday and the day before yesterday. Many of you were panicking and everyone was just running around like a headless chicken, and we're just pessimistic because Bitcoin momentarily at least went all the way to 55k. But it's not really the case that we're going into a bearish move. We're just having a bearish trajectory, yeah, right now. Or at least we're forming a pattern that we're going towards the downside slightly. But once we get over it, once we break this pattern, we can go all the way to a new all-time high. My humble prediction is still the same. 86k for Bitcoin once we break out of this pattern, and this will be the Fibonacci retracement level to look for, because we will have a major rejection at the 86, which will be a new all-time high at that point. But we will have a major rejection at 86, and then we can reassess and reevaluate the whole situation. For now, the previous all-time high is 73,000 US dollars. Once we hit the 73, we can expect some resistance. We can expect the price is not going to be that stable over there. It's not going to be smooth ride all the way. It's going to be a smooth tail. No, it's not going to be that. It's going to be a little bit shaky, but we can relatively get easily over 73,000 US dollars, and then we can continue carrying on all the way to 86, and then we can reassess what's going to happen at 86. However, right now, if you're trading with leverage, then put some risk management strategy in place. If you want to invest in crypto right now, that's a good time. Actually, it's never a bad time to invest in crypto. It's never too late to invest in Bitcoin. It's never too late to invest in a coin or a project you're really believing in. However, be aware that there are many scams in the market right now. Even the top 20 coins are some of them are a bit sketchy. So you have to dig deep. You have to understand what's going on. You have to do your own studies. You have to get into the details of each and every coin of these, or each and every project of these, and then decide or make your own decision, because nobody will care about your money but you. Nobody will care about your investment but you. And nobody will guide you or give you a magic pill to, make millions out of nowhere. It's never like that, and it will never be like that. You have to put the effort, you have to put the intention behind what you're doing, and you have to have a little bit of luck, of course. Of course, luck is heavily involved in the whole situation. Many people got lucky with some, weird coins here and there, meme coins, and just popping up out of nowhere, and they sold it in a correct timing, and they literally became millionaires. However, in order for you to encounter that luck, you need to somewhat be in alignment with what you're doing. You have to be in the right vibe, in the right vibration. I'm talking a bit out of topic here, but I just need to let you know that currently in the market there are a lot of possibilities, a lot of opportunities, a lot of potential profit. Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the main players. Dogecoin, for me, one of the greatest. Solana's having a major comeback right now. Solana a few months ago, actually, it was around 20-30 US dollars. Now we're talking about above 100. We can even go beyond 200. So Solana can be a very good option for you. Solana as a project makes sense. As a project, it does have the fundamentals for a great successful project. So you need to study it, you need to understand it more, you need to inform yourself about it before spending money on it or investing in Solana. However, it's a great project in my own humble perspective. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. But generally speaking, things are looking good for some coins. Dogecoin, it's a meme coin, yes, but it's slowly transitioning into something more and more serious every single day. And it's just enough to know that Mr. Elon Musk is heavily supporting Dogecoin. I believe that once he enables payment on X, it will be Dogecoin. That's my own humble prediction. And these are rumors floating around, and people are just saying that. I'm not entirely sure, but I do have this prediction, or I do believe in these kind of rumors. If that happens, then we can expect a new all-time high for Dogecoin. It's not going to be immediate though. The all-time high for Dogecoin was in 2021, summer 2021, when Dogecoin all of a sudden went all the way to nearly 70 cents per coin. And that also followed Mr. Elon Musk's tweet about Dogecoin, that he was supporting Dogecoin. So never underestimate the influencer effect. The influencer effect, I mean, someone with a gravitation or the impact of Elon Musk can really manipulate the market. I'm not going to say manipulate, but he can impact the market in a way or another. So you need to be constantly informing yourself. You need to keep your eyes and ears always open and understand what's going on around you. And if you want to be a good investor, you need to be always keeping up with the news, because news can have a very big impact on your investments. If you're an Apple fan, for instance, and you just want to invest in Apple, you need to be always updating yourself what's going to happen in the next few days, whether Apple is having any major financial trouble, if they're having any new innovation coming, any new updates for their projects. So things can be quite tricky to maneuver, but you have to keep yourself updated, and that's part of the effort you're putting into your investment. That's part of the effort you're putting into what you're doing, so you can align yourself actually to be deserving for the profit you're aspiring to have. So that was a quick catch up on the market. I do believe that Bitcoin gonna have a major run. I do believe that Ethereum will have also a good run. And don't get me wrong here on Ethereum. I do believe that Ethereum is a great project, but it's not going to be the ultimate contract project. It's not going to be the ultimate smart contract project. I do believe that currently we don't have anything competing with Ethereum. Some projects are promising to compete with Ethereum, but so far we haven't had anything that can keep up with Ethereum. But this day will come and we can have a major Ethereum killer. But until that point, we should carry on and heavily invest in Ethereum, of course, in my own humble understanding. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence and manage your own risks and do your own studies before investing anything. And my final humble advice for you for this video: if you're already in profit, take at least some portion of this profit and try to reinvest it somewhere else. If you're having a major amount of profit, then probably put it in real estate. Try to generate some passive income on the side, renting out some Airbnbs or Booking or whatever, just get a unit and put it out there, and then things can start rolling from there. If you want to invest in stock market, you can do so. I do believe that IT sector is currently booming. We're talking about Tesla, we're talking about Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. It's just completely up to you to choose, but do your own studies as well, because some projects or some stocks can have the more potential than others to go all the way to crazy numbers, 4x, 5x, 8x. Like Nvidia last year, it was just insanely, it even made more, percentage-wise at least, more than Bitcoin. So it's just crazy how things can turn towards the bullish direction. So generally speaking, keep informing yourself, keep understanding more about the market, and the more you understand it, the more you get sense of the market and how things work, the better you will get at it. You just what you constantly repeat. So once you repeat understanding money, understanding how finance work, you will get better and better at it. And of course, I do believe in diversification, meaning that you should diversify your portfolio. Stocks a little bit. I'm a kind of, I'm a big fan of stocks, but I do believe that crypto is probably my favorable option when it comes to heavy investment. But I don't believe in putting every single cent I have in one basket. I do believe that crypto can be an option, stocks can be an option, real estate can be a very solid and stable and safe option, because you actually own the unit itself. If things go horribly wrong, you can sell it, you can live in it, you can just rent it out. So that's a very stable form of investment, but it's not really high risk, high reward. So it's just depending on your appetite for risk. So things can be quite variable from there. And of course, you can put it in collectibles, you can put it in vintage cars, watches even. These can be really good investments. You can even create with your friends some VC. You can invest in some new innovative projects and see how things will go. So that completely depends on your budgeting and your own financial capabilities. But for now, that's a quick video on Bitcoin, dragged on for a while here, but that's it. Leave in the comments down below what you think about it and whether you believe that Bitcoin will hit the 100K, the magical 100K anytime soon or not, and we can discuss more about it in the next video. Bye.